Hi, welcome to Langkawi Underwater World, one of the largest and most spectacular aquarium in Southeast Asia, located on the stunning island of Langkawi, Malaysia. This underwater wonderland is home to over 6,000 marine animals from all around the globe. Entrance fee per adult rupees 946, children rupees 725. The aquarium is divided into the freshwater zone, subantarctic zone, tropical rainforest zone and the temperate zone. Here we see various species of sharks, spotted moray eels, knifefish, temola, giant kaurami and arowanas. Marmosets, the smallest species of monkeys in the world, play hide and seek in the rainforest section. Now we are diving into the world of penguins. Watch the fantastic penguin dance. Spectacular view of penguins. Watch the penguins. They dive, play and interact with each other in their spacious enclosure. Two types of penguins here, the African penguin and the rockhopper penguin. Meet the rockhopper penguins, one of the smallest and most adorable penguin species. Rockhoppers can jump up to 6 feet in a single hop. Watch the seahorses. They produce 5 to 1,500 babies, but less than 1% survive to adult. They grow 30 to 50 times per day. Be mesmerized by the variety of jellyfish dance. They are in a large circular tank with a 360-degree viewing area. A mesmerizing display of jellyfish swimming and pulsing in the water. Informative graphics and text overlays highlighting the interesting facts and conservation status. A unique touch pool experience where visitors can gently interact with moon jellyfish. In the coral reef section, clownfish, damsels, wrasse and other corals provide visitors with a glimpse of the symbiotic relationship that exists among the inhabitants of the coral reefs. Venture into the deep sea experience by walking along a 15-meter long tunnel. Feel as though you are in the middle of the ocean. As you look right, left and above to see sharks, giant stingrays, green turtles and giant groupers coexisting and swimming gracefully. In Langkawi Underworld Aquarium Malaysia, also some aged and disabled fishes. They have been treated and take care of them. A must place to visit Langkawi Underwater World, Malaysia.